Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize VPN connection using NordVPN on Windows, beginner guide step by step clearly. Download the NordVPN application from the official NordVPN website. Once downloaded, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, open the NordVPN application. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you are new, click on Sign Up to create an account. Choose a subscription plan that fits your needs. Fill in your payment details and complete the sign-up process. Once logged in, you will see a map interface with various server locations. Select a server by clicking on a country or type in the search bar. Once your desired server appears, click on the Connect button. Wait for the connection to establish. You will see a notification indicating that you are now connected to the VPN. For added security, you can enable features such as Cyber SEC in the Settings menu. To disconnect from the VPN, click on the Disconnect button in the app. If you wish to change your server, simply select another location and reconnect. You are now ready to browse securely with NordVPN on Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.